Hey everyone, so today I'm showing you how to buy and set up residential proxies from Proxy-Seller. You can use this with pretty much any Antidetect browser or even cloud phones. It's honestly really simple, so let's get into it. Alright, first thing, there is a link down in the description. When you click that, it will take you to Proxy-Seller sites and you will get access to a discount code at checkout. It is there if you want to save some money, totally up to you. So once you are on their homepage, you will see this section called Choose a Service. So go ahead and click on Residential Proxies. There are other types too, but we want residential because these are IPs from actual home internet connections, not data centers. Next up, you need to pick your plan. You will see different sites starting from 1 GB. I'm just going with 1 GB for this demo, but you can grab whatever site makes sense for what you are doing. Then pick your time period. I'm going with 1 month here. Now, see where it says redeem code, that's where you put in the coupon code from the description. So like without any code, this 1 GB plan is $3.50, but when I drop the code in, now it is $3.15. Pretty nice discount. Now hit buy proxy and then pick how you want to pay. I'm using my card, but they tag PayPal and crypto too. Just fill in your info and complete the payment and you are done. Your account gets created right away and the proxies will be ready to go in about a minute or two. Okay, so we have successfully completed the order. Now we need to actually set up the proxies. Click on your email at the top and select on orders. Then go to residential tab or just scroll down a bit and you will see this whole section for creating your proxy list. I'm going to walk you through each part because it is important to get this right. First, give your list a name under export. I'm calling mine how to internet, but you can name it whatever helps you remember what it is for. Now here's the rotation settings. You have got 3 choices here. General means it changes your IP automatically. Sticky keeps the same IP while you are connected, and rotating lets you decide how often it switches. I'm picking rotating and setting it to 60 minutes, so my IP will change every hour, which works well for most things you would want to do. For authorization part, I'm going with username and password because it's just easier to set up later. Leave export format on file. Now here's where you pick your location. This is under filter. I'm choosing United States, and for region, I'm gonna select California, and for city, I'm gonna select California City. And then we're gonna choose a internet service provider. Here we have Spectrum, so we're gonna select this and done. You can pick from 195 different countries, so choose wherever you need to appear like you are browsing from. Under ports, just keep it at 1. Then for output, click that format drop down. You will see a bunch of options. I'm selecting login :password, username or host :port because that's the format that works with most browsers. Hit create and your proxy list gets made right away. So to find your proxy info, go to proxy list right below where we just were. You will see the list you made. Mine says how to internet. Click on it. Under format, click the file option and it will show you everything in a text format. You will see something like this. This line has everything: your host address, port number, username and password all in one. Just copy this whole thing because we are going to need it. Now next up, we're gonna test it. We're gonna use and set it up in an Antidetect browser. I'm using AdsPower, which is one of the best Antidetect browser right now. If you have not used it before, I have a full video on it linked below. And hey, if you end up upgrading to a paid plan, there's a discount through my link too. Just putting that out there. Let me create a new profile real quick. I will click create new profile over here. I'm naming this one USA California test, so I know what it is later. Under proxy section, select custom and then pick any protocol. We're gonna select SockSpipe for residential proxies. Now I just paste that whole proxy line from Proxy-Seller. It goes like this. If it has been incorrectly filled out, just do it manually by copying each part. Now let me click on check proxy to make sure it is working. Nice, it passed. You can see it's showing United States, California, California City. That's exactly what we set up. I will finish the rest of the profile settings and hit OK. Now the profile has been created. Let's actually open this and see if it works. I will click open. And here we go. New browser window pop-ups. And here it shows my IP address. Perfect. Look at that. It's showing a California IP and the provider is Spectrum. Everything matches what we configured. This means right now, anyone looking at my connection thinks I'm just someone browsing from home in California. And that's really all there is to it. The whole thing takes maybe 10 minutes once you know what you are doing. I have been using Proxy-Seller's residential proxies for a while now. And they just work like consistently because they are real residential IPs from people's home internet. Website treat them like normal traffic. Whether you are managing multiple accounts, collecting data, or need to access stops that's blocked in your area, these handle it really well. If you want to grab some, links down below with the discount code. There's also AdsPower link if you need that. If this helped you out, hit the like button, drop any question in the comments, and I will catch you in the next video.